Hello, wonderful people, and welcome to Abby Juicing. Today we have an amazing recipe. And to our new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to our channel. On to our today's recipe, we have turmeric, ginger, beets, apples, oranges, and lemons. Let's get into it. So we'll make sure that all our ingredients are clean and ready to go. So we will go ahead and start chopping all our ingredients before we blend them. So the juice that we are going to be preparing today helps keep our blood pressure in check. So let's keep going. Beets contain a high concentration of nitrates, which have a high blood pressure lowering effect. This may lead to a reduced risk of heart attacks, heart failure, and stroke. So how does the beets lower high blood pressure? Here is the real answer. Beets contain naturally high levels of nitrates, which your digestive system converts into nitric oxide. This compound then relaxes and widens the blood vessels, which in turn lowers the blood pressure. In the meantime, we'll go ahead and squeeze our lemons and our oranges, as you can see. So let's keep juicing. So at this point, all our ingredients have blended all together. So it's time to pour into the sieve and start getting our juice. So if you don't have a juicer, then a blender will just work, just as you can see. It's about that time and our juice will be ready in a few minutes. So let's keep going. So at this moment, our juice is just almost ready. Keep watching. So at this moment, we are going to pour the orange juice that we prepared earlier into the beet juice. This will give a very delicious taste. Keep watching. As you can see, this is the real deal. Absolutely delicious. At this moment, our juice is finally ready. The most delicious and the most healthiest juice ever. We are just going to put into the jar so that we'll just be able to serve it. Enjoy this wonderful recipe. Thank you for watching our today's video. And as always, I'll be juicing. See you in our next video. And please remember to subscribe.